Hello and welcome to the vlog. My name is Tato and these are a couple of days of my life after submitting my bachelor's thesis and finishing up uni. Now that I'm done, these summer days are filled with hanging out with friends and being outside away from a laptop screen. I hope you enjoy, even though I don't really talk to the camera too much. I was just trying to enjoy the moment but managed to capture some really relaxing days. Like and subscribe if this is your vibe. I'm just taking care of the plants. They've got a lot of dust on them, so I'm just going to be washing them, putting them in the shower, and then just rinsing them over, letting water pass all the way through the soil. And then I'm propagating some of the plants because it's a good time to propagate now.
Okay, so we're on our way to the beach for an amapiano beach rave.
Well, I feel like it's
Okay, I don't know why I'm crying. I'm literally grown. I just got my thesis grade. I don't know, but I got 8.4. I'm so happy. I didn't even expect to get my grade because we were told that there was going to be a delay. So I was just like, you know what? Forget it. Put it out of your mind. And I was just checking my mails and I saw the front page thinking it would be like the assessment evaluation would be on that page, and I'm reading, I don't see anything. I'm scrolling past all the feedback, like all the actual detailed feedback, and I'm like, no, I want to see my number grade. And it's there and it's 8.4 and I'm so happy. Wow. So now, okay. Now we're headed to the beach. We're gonna meet up with Lara and her mom and just have a nice drink and just celebrate. Also Lara being done. She just had some last exams. And yeah. Cheers. Cheers. Congrats. Cheers.
Schön. Die können das. Guck dir das an.
Not the footwork. Oh shit, I'm scared. We are done. Woo! Woo! We're not well, as you can tell. For dinner, we made these super packed bowls. In hindsight, probably should have put it in a bigger bowl. But it's got baby spinach, it's got tzatziki, what else? It's got tzatziki, baby spinach, beetroot, falafel underneath, carrots underneath, quinoa underneath, and eggplant underneath. Alright guys, believe it or not, but I'm going on a run. And he didn't even have to convince me too hard, but he's been planting the seeds. He's been planting the seeds. Running with my hair pulled back, straighten my hair. Like, what? That can't be good. Wear heat protectant when you go on a run. I can't see. So apparently Ramaj is cheating.
I'm not cheating.
That's really good on my thumb.